Hi guys, I'm Bridget, an educator at the Glaser Children's Museum. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'm very grateful for the time we get to spend together. In fact, that's going to be the entry that I include in my gratitude journal today. Gratitude is pausing to notice the good things in our life that we often take for granted. This could be our home, clean water, food, our friends, and even our family. A gratitude journal is the way that I stop and think about the things that I'm grateful for. And then I write them down so that I can remember them and really focus on them. Would you like to make a gratitude journal of your own?
For this project, you will need scissors, a hole punch, ribbon, your favorite piece of paper, and then some blank pages to put on the inside. You will also need something to write with. I'm using colored pencils.
Now that you've made your own gratitude journal, what are some things that you can add to it? Well, you could write about things you are thankful for, or good things that happened to you, or even ways you show gratitude. If you don't feel like writing, you could draw a picture, like I did. I am thankful for our time that we get to spend together, and I am thankful that I have a job at GCM where I can interact with kids all over the world, just like you. Can you make a gratitude journal and record what you're thankful for? You can find more fun activities like this on GCM at Home. See you next time.